Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your YouTube channel in Artlist. This is important because when you use Artlist music in your YouTube videos, YouTube's Content ID system may still scan and detect that music. Artlist uses a feature called ClearList to connect your YouTube channel or video link with your Artlist account, so YouTube can recognize that you have a valid license. So let's start step by step. First, open your browser. Go to the Artlist website. Now click Login from the top right corner. Enter your email and password. Once you are logged in, you will land on your Artlist dashboard or homepage. Now, look at the top right corner of the Artlist homepage. You will see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click ClearList. Artlist officially says you can access ClearList from the account menu by selecting your profile icon and then clicking ClearList. After opening ClearList, you will see different platform options. For this tutorial, we are adding a YouTube channel. So, click YouTube. This is the section where you can connect your YouTube channel with your Artlist account. Now, open a new tab and go to YouTube. Open your YouTube channel page. Copy your full YouTube channel URL from the browser address bar. You can also use your YouTube channel ID. Artlist says you can enter the full channel URL or channel ID when adding a channel to ClearList. Now, go back to the Artlist ClearList page. Paste your YouTube channel URL into the YouTube channel field. Wait for a few seconds. Your channel name and channel icon should appear. Once you see your correct channel, select it and confirm. That's it. Your YouTube channel is now added to Artlist ClearList. Before adding more channels, check your Artlist plan. With a social plan, Artlist allows ClearList for one channel per platform, including one YouTube channel. With a Pro plan, Artlist allows ClearList for 3 YouTube channels and unlimited individual YouTube videos. Team plans can allow more channels depending on the plan. So if you cannot add another channel, your plan limit may be the reason. Sometimes your channel may not appear after pasting the link. Here are a few things you can try. First, make sure your YouTube channel has at least one uploaded video. Second, refresh your browser and try again. Third, paste the exact YouTube channel ID instead of the custom username link. Artlist also recommends using the exact channel ID and contacting support with your full YouTube channel link if the issue continues. If the normal channel link does not work, you can use the channel ID. Go to your main YouTube channel page. Click More. Then click Share Channel. From there, copy your channel ID or channel link. Now go back to Artlist and paste it into the ClearList section. Artlist mentions this method for finding the channel ID from your YouTube channel page. Important note: remember, ClearList is mainly needed when you are using Artlist music. Artlist says you do not need ClearList for SFX, footage, AI voiceover, images, or videos unless your project also uses Artlist music. Also, you need an active Artlist subscription to add channels or videos to ClearList. Channels and videos added during an active subscription remain cleared, but you cannot add new ones after the license expires. And that's how you add your YouTube channel in Artlist. The process is simple. Log into Artlist. Click your profile icon. Open ClearList. Select YouTube. Paste your channel URL or channel ID. Confirm your channel. Now your YouTube channel is connected with Artlist ClearList, which helps prevent copyright claims when you use licensed Artlist music. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want a separate tutorial on how to fix an Artlist copyright claim on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.